Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me. So on this video, I'll be doing an unboxing on some outdoor wall sconce lighting by Lenarinter. Alright, these wall sconces are currently running $39.99 on Amazon.com right now. Let's get to the unboxing. Very well packaged, you guys. It does come in a set of 2 when you order these. They do come very well packaged. There's your assembly instructions. There's your wire nuts. A little bit closer look. That is everything that comes in the box for these outdoor wall sconces by Lenarinter. They can be used indoor and outdoor. Alright, so once the product's all assembled, it will actually look something like this right here. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.